Hi everyone, welcome back to Crochet Rocks. Tracy here, and if you haven't already, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. So today's yarn of the week is a really lovely yarn that I've wanted to use for a long time and never got round to making anything with, which is really silly considering I like it so much and I've got so much of it. So I could easily make some bits and bobs with this because I have it in my own stash as well as in my shop. So if you haven't found my shop, it is hobbyrocks.co.uk. You'll find a link under the video to that shop and a £5 voucher to help with the cost of shipping at the moment. So that's cut and pastable and just under the video. So anyway, this is King Cole Ultra Soft Chunky, and it really is really ultra soft. It is beautiful. It feels silky soft because sometimes they're squishy enough when you do this, but they're not when you give them a stroke. And these ones are, and they are gorgeous, gorgeous yarn. So this ultra soft chunky, let me give you a bit of a lowdown on it. Now this is 100% premium acrylic and you get 158 yards or 145 meters, which isn't at all bad in a chunky ball, I don't think. And this one is 4633 navy, and it is a really beautiful kind of navy blue. It's hard to show you the exact colour because it is a little bit more vibrant than you're seeing on the camera. Maybe about there, that might be the right kind of colour that I'm seeing, if not a little bluer. But it is really, really beautiful, and that's the navy blue. And then I have this really gorgeous soft kind of baby blue as well, and this is, I think, called Forget Me Not. Yeah, 4627 Forget Me Not, and it is really gorgeous, absolutely lovely, and of course together they go really well. Now I do have, for some reason, one that has gone astray. Just bear with me a sec, it might be under my... It was under my chair because I knew my bag fell over and I thought, hang on, I had 8. What's going on? So anyway, this is a lovely baby pink one as well. It's beautiful colour, like a fondant pink. Absolutely gorgeous. And what have they called this? Bonbon. 4630 Bonbon. So yeah, you've got some lovely baby colours as well as some nice kind of dark colours. So you've got a red which will also go with the pink. So isn't that fun? You know, just saying. And this is called, I would call it red, but they've called it Poppy. 4634 Poppy. So that's the pink and the red as well. Oh look, you know what I'm going to say, don't you? Yarn boobies, yarn boobies. But it's not all about baby colours, of course. You've got some navies, you've got some reds, but you've also got obviously white. And this, is it called white, do you reckon? What do you say? White. 4625 white. And it, honestly, I can't tell you enough how gorgeous and soft and how wonderful it smells. Doesn't yarn smell amazing? So that's white. It was getting a little bit undressed, that white one. So we also have obviously black. So yeah, all the standard colours you'd expect so far. Now there are probably other colours I don't stock because obviously as I'm starting my shop, I'm starting smaller and increasing things as time goes by. So my shop inventory has grown quite a lot, but it has kind of grown as I've had sales and I know what everybody wants and everything else. I kind of increase them that way, and when I see new yarns, who can resist them? So it's kind of grown. I do need to make a lot of space, so the t-shirt yarn that I showed you recently has now gone down to £4.99 per cake, which could, yeah, for a cake of the t-shirt yarn. And all of the other special offers that I've had before are still current at the moment. That Nordic is still mega cheap, £2.99 for 150 gram ball, and it is identical to the King Cole Nordic. So mine is yarn art, that's what I'm trying to say, yarn art. So those are still, what's there is there, when they're gone. All of those special offers, including the chainy cotton cakes and everything, still valid. So all of the ones you've seen before, or if you're new, they're actually in my shop, and they are very reduced. I need the space. I need some space. So this is 4636 black. And another colour that I absolutely love is this one. It's kind of like a mustard colour. It'll be interesting to see what they've called it. Mustard! Hey! And that is 4635 mustard. Isn't it a beautiful colour though? It's really kind of a... It's just not like that gaudy kind of mustard. It's a lovely, really lovely colour. I like that a lot. So we've got 8 different colours. I can't hold 8. I will drop them because I've only got little hands. But those are my current yarn of the week. No, I can't get them all. I wish I could. You know, some people have got real big kind of grip, but not me. I can only do 2 in a hand. So there we go. And they are lovely, beautiful chunky yarn, gorgeous to work with. And I have made a few things out of this in the past, but I really need to kind of get cracking on some. I lost my Crochet recently. I don't know about you, but I was really suffering with ideas, and well, I had ideas, but I had no, it wasn't translating down my arm into my fingers. So I'm kind of getting there now. As many of you know, I'm making a blanket with these colours. I'm making a character blanket for my grandson, and I'm trying my best to be motivated and get on with that as much as I can. There will be a tutorial for it coming very soon. But yeah, I've got several things I really want to make. But that yarn is absolutely gorgeous. And I think for a chunky, its meterage is not too bad at all. So that'll be on special offer. I also, as I recently showed you, because the Stylecraft Cabaret is being discontinued, I've got some more stock to put up for that, and in some absolutely gorgeous colours like the Midnight Hours. And I think this one, was this the one? Might fall out because I made a hole in this bag. This one, which is called, I think, Dragonfly, is it? I always get it mixed up. Hummingbird, see, I always get it mixed up. So there we go. Those will be uploaded as well today. And if you want to see this a bit more up close and personal, shockingly beautiful, isn't it? So yeah, they're all on there as well. Well, they will be. But for now, this is my yarn of the week, and it is beautiful. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Stay safe, everyone. Bye.